Well, guys, I dug. I don't know if you can see it. Try to get a good. That, my friends, is my first buffalo nickel that I've dug. That is awesome. And the only other. Did I just get shit on? I think I got shit on. So the only other uh, significant coin that I've ever dug was that 42 war nickel. So to be able to pull a buffalo nickel, I mean, that's awesome. Again, I've been digging bullets, and I got a spoon, but man, that's awesome. That makes it all worth it. Well, I got a really old spoon head, and it was a clean break back when it happened. I almost didn't think it was a spoon head at first, but then I saw the little break there. That was about 7 inches. Looks like things are starting to look up for me out here. I think that bird crapping on me was good luck. Sweet. And I got an oxide chew. There you go, Keebs. Alright, oh my god. So I just was messaging with JMO because I wasn't sure what I had here. So we think it is a King George half cent. I can't really get the light on it that well here. Oops. But, oh yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure the date on it, it's hard to see through the camera, but it looks like it says 1779. 1770 something, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. Oh god. I mean, I'm freaking blown away. Oh my god. What a good day. Alright, so I have to say, it was a pretty decent day today. I did dig quite a bit of junk. Got an oxen shoe. My oh so popular bullets. Stainless spoon. Old spoon head, bowl, whatever you want to call it. Definitely old. Pretty cool. Here's the awesome finds. So we'll start. I mean, you're not going to be able to see them that well, but I'll show you pictures. I got my first buffalo. I have a few that people have sent me that I've acquired, but I've never dug any. So that's awesome. Like I said, the only substantial coin that I have ever dug was that 42 war nickel. So that was pretty cool. But the find of the day, oh my god, is this King George II farthing. It's the size of a quarter. So what JMO says is that if it's the size of a quarter, it's a quarter pence farthing. I'm not sure. I don't know a whole ton about it. It's 1749, and you can't tell by the camera, but I mean it's in pretty decent shape. I can see everything pretty clearly when I hit hit it with the light. Oh my god, I am so pumped. The AT Pro working good for me. So until next time, enjoy the ride.